We made it.
We made it to the hotel. Let our luggage in storage, and we're off to start looking around a bit.
We still have to settle our metro stuff. Apparently we have to take a photo.
Yeah, didn't know that. So
we're going to walk instead.
Yeah.
With no access to the metro, we decide to walk. In hindsight, that might have been a mistake, mostly because the distances on maps appear shorter than they really are. Although it was a scenic walk, we passed near the Invalides and across Pont Alexandre III Bridge. We were definitely feeling our legs in the evening. Once we arrived at the Place de la Concorde, we followed our original plan, which was to walk towards the Arc de Triomphe through Champs-Élysées.
Hey, so we made it to our first landmark, which is Place de la Concorde.
Excuse the pronunciation.
Yes, the pronunciation would be a little bit off, but so basically this is what used to be basically an execution square. Some important people lost their head here, including Marie Antoinette and King Louis.
One of the King
Louis. One of the Louis. It's one of them. I think the 14th.
Yep. Unfortunately, this is under renovation.
There seems to be an obelisk behind the scaffolding. Would have been nice to see it, but anyway.
Now we're going up.
Yeah, so yeah, if we look around as though that way we find the Louvre. There's a huge garden in front, and, but we're taking the other way around, and we'll be going
up the Champs-Élysées
towards the Arc de Triomphe. So we'll catch you there. In the middle of the road. No, we just started walking through Champs-Élysées, and I think you can barely make it, but they can see the Arc at the Triomphe.
That's
exactly
our destination.
At the end of this road.
Off we go.
Off we go. So we are at our first food stop. We're at Laduree, if I spelled that correct. And
there's a big queue.
Not too bad. I was expecting worse, to be honest. But so basically this place should be famous for its macaroons. So we'll see what they say. And I bring a little milk as well if you need to clean it a little bit. Okay? Enjoy it. Thank you very much. So just finished from Laduree. Very good, nice pastries.
We got macaroons, obviously.
Yeah.
We got a cream puff pastry, orange, with a hint of orange, and the praline.
Millefoil.
I was pronouncing it wrong, apparently.
Yeah.
Everything was good.
Very good.
The hot chocolate.
Yeah, some hot chocolate as well. Very strong, but very tasty as well.
So, all good. Yeah, approved.
On to the next one. Just taking a break from the staircase to get up to the top of the Arc de Triomphe. Jesus Christ. Shall we?
decided to try a restaurant which was recommended on the food channel. We have a whole list to try actually. We're starting off with Paul Bert. They served us these pastry ball like empty savory eclairs to start with. Very buttery, salty and very good. Gabriel ordered the ribeye and I got pork chops. We ended the meal by sharing an apple pie, which in my opinion was the best part of the meal. But I'm biased to desserts. Thanks for watching, and we'll upload our second day in Paris as soon as possible. In the meantime, subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified when the next video is up. Au revoir! Oh, look at that!